Exhibits include American muscle cars, automobile memorabilia, and an Americana collection. Opened in 2001, the 7,000 square foot showroom is both a dealer showroom for classic cars and a museum with changing exhibits. In addition to rare cars, displays include quarter-midget race cars, pedal cars, a 1940s Texaco gas station, vintage road signs, jukeboxes, Coca-Cola machines, gas pumps, neon signs, electric guitars autographed by rock musicians including Aerosmith, John Bon Jovi and Stevie Ray Vaughan, autographed television memorabilia and more. The Orlando Sentinel described the museum as, housed in a replica Art Deco building, the attraction is an ode to antique Americana, from cars and musical instruments to signs and military artifacts. The museum is described as a program of classic dream cars, a classic cars trading business. 10 to 13 of our cars are on permanent display, including rare hearses, while we offer 12 to 15 for sale at most times. Stock naturally varies with sales platform. Mainstream classic cars are not just a blast from the past but can be an excellent investment that will swiftly pass your savings account in value in just a few years. We built the all-new Mount Dora Museum of Speed, so we could share our hobby and a lifetime of antique collecting with the general public. Besides its classic cars, the museum includes a 44-year collection of vintage road signs, autographed guitars and backstage passes from famous rockers and country artists, including Stevie Ray Vaughan / Jeff Beck, Eric Clapton, The Doors, Aerosmith, Ozzy Osbourne, Bon Jovi, The Stones, Don Henley, Billy Ray Cyrus, Graham Nash, George Thorogood, Chicago, Montgomery and Gentry, and Chet Atkins, vintage jukeboxes, quarter-midget race cars. 4. An actual vintage 1940 South Texaco gas station, built within the museum walls, pedal cars, big vintage neon sign cabinets, vintage luggage W/travel stickers, dealer incentive promo Corvette S by Chevrolet, ton S of signed artwork, a real Cedar Point bumper car from Ohio, an original California Bob S Big Boy statue, a classic desert trading post rattlesnake, real but dead display, antique longboard surfboards, vintage weight/fortune scale, Elsie, Borden S&P supermarket talking cow, Coca-Cola porcelain school crossing guard, a real 59 Cadillac sofa, vintage baby strollers, giant 1941-43 defense bond posters, Duck Dynasty display, 50s soda bar furniture, plus 10 to 14 vintage 30s 50s gas pumps, 1952 Alan Herschel Children's amusement ride Sky Raider, air towers, oil dispenser displays, antique oil cans, pedal cars, huge display of 118 die-cast classics, cola machines, vintage fire extinguishers, bumper cars, mannequin S in period clothing and automobilia galore.